Hello students, today I will teach you chapter number 5, Laziness turned into hard work. Once there was a boy. He lived with his parents in a small town. His name was Rohan. His father was a potter. एक लड़का था जो कि अपने माता पिता के साथ एक छोटे शहर में रहता था। उसका नाम था रोहन। उसके पिताजी कुम्हार थे। He wanted his son to become an officer. वो चाहते थे कि उनका बेटा अफसर बने। So instead of his low income, he sent him to a good school. उनकी कम आय होने के बाद भी वो उसे अच्छे स्कूल में भेजा करते थे। रोहन was a lazy boy. He did not like to go to school. रोहन बहुत आलसी था और उसे स्कूल जाना पसंद नहीं था। He was not interested in studies. उसकी पढ़ाई में रुचि नहीं थी। He liked to play around in the garden. He very often run away from the school. वो हमेशा स्कूल से भाग जाया करता था। He spent his time in the streets, often playing with some of his friends. वह अक्सर अपने कुछ दोस्तों के साथ गलियों में खेलकर अपना समय बिताया करता था। His parents were unhappy with him. They wanted him to study hard and stand first in the class. One morning, his father sent him to the school. As per his routine, in spite of going to the school, he decided to go to the garden. एक सुबह उसके फादर ने उसे स्कूल भेजा। स्कूल जाने के बावजूद दिनचर्या के अनुसार उसने बगीचे में जाने का फैसला किया। It was a bright and sunny morning. The birds were singing songs and enjoying the day. पंछी गीत गा रहे थे और दिन का आनंद ले रहे थे। Butterflies were flying from one plant to another, enjoy the nature for the flowers. प्रकृति का आनंद लेते हुए तितलियां एक पौधे से दूसरे पौधे में उड़ रही थी। रोहन was feeling really happy to be away from his school. रोहन अपने स्कूल से दूर होने पर बहुत खुश था। He saw looking the beautiful fly moving from one flower to another. He was a bee and went towards it. उसने एक मक्खी को देखा जो कि एक फ्लावर से दूसरी फ्लावर में मूव हो रही थी। वह एक मधुमक्खी थी। वह उसके पास गया and he asked to be, Dear bee, you are so beautiful. Will you play with me? Dear bee, तुम बहुत सुंदर हो, क्या तुम मेरे साथ खेलोगी? Bee, oh no, I cannot play with you. ओ नहीं, मैं तुम्हारे साथ नहीं खेल सकती। रोहन, why can't you play with me? Bee, I am very busy. I have to gather honey for the coming winter. I have no time to play. मैं व्यस्त हूँ, मुझे शहद इकट्ठा करना है। सर्दियाँ आने वाली हैं, मेरे पास टाइम नहीं है। Then Rohan saw a small bird with a piece of straw in its beak. रोहन ने एक पंछी को देखा जो कि अपने चोंच में एक भूसे का टुकड़ा लिए हुए थी। रोहन, Hi little birds, you are so sweet. Will you come and play with me? Little bird, no, I don't have extra time. I have to make my nest coming as the winter season is coming. नहीं, मेरे पास एक्स्ट्रा टाइम नहीं है। मुझे अपना घोंसला कंप्लीट करना है। सर्दियों का मौसम आने वाला है। After saying this, the little bird flew away. इतना कहकर चिड़िया उड़ गई. Rohan they saw some ants running with grains of rich towards their holes. फिर उसने कुछ चींटियों को देखा जो कि अपने साथ अनाज लेकर अपने होल में जा रही थी. Rohan, dear aunt, come on, stay with me for some time. We shall play together. उसने चींटियों को अपने पास बुलाया और कहा, मेरे पास रुको, हम मिलकर खेलेंगे. Aunt, sorry dear, we have to gather food for ourselves. Winter is rounding the corner and we don't have even a single minute to play. If we play now, we would die of hunger in the winter season. चींटियों ने रोहन को सॉरी कहा और कहा यदि हम खाना इकट्ठा नहीं करेंगे तो सर्दियों में भूख से मर जाएंगे. The aunt moved toward their hole quickly. When he was roaming in the garden, he saw a dog. He decided to ask the dog. जब वह बगीचे में रोमिंग कर रहा था, उसे एक डॉग दिखा. उसने उस डॉग से पूछने का निर्णय किया. Dear doggies, you are a fine dog. Please come and play with me. Dog said, sorry dear, I have to guard my master's house. उस डॉग ने भी उसे सॉरी कहा और कहा कि मुझे अपने मास्टर के घर की रखवाली करना है. I must run fast, otherwise thief would get into my master house. Then my master would punish me. Rohan feels shamed and through that there is no one else idle except him. If the bee, birds, ants and dog are so busy, why I am not busy? सब इतने व्यस्त हैं तो मैं व्यस्त क्यों नहीं हूँ? Why I am so lazy? Saying so he ran toward the school. इतना कहकर वो स्कूल की तरफ भागा. He had now made up his mind not to waste his time idly. Thereafter, he read his lesson and solved the sum carefully. He stood first in the class now. He was prized by all the teachers in the school. अब उसने बेकार ना बैठने का मन बना लिया, अपने पाठों को पढ़ा, हल किया और कक्षा में प्रथम स्थान पर रहा. His parents feel proud of his achievement. Later, he progressed in his life and become an army officer. So students, your today's homework is read this lesson.